how to redeem Apple gift card. So as you can see right here, if you got that gift card right here, you're gonna see the serial number right there, and you can scan it by following these steps. You can go back to your screen and then go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just click on your avatar icon at the top, right? And then basically you're gonna look for option called Apple or Apple Balance, right? You're gonna see something related just like this, right? Or account balance. So click on the Apple account balance and you're gonna see your email, your balance, and click redeem gift card. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and you redeem your gift card by using your camera. Use the camera or enter the code however you want it to be. Just go ahead and scan the QR code that's been given to you, and then basically you're gonna be able to add the balance to your Apple account balance. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.